Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2123 indicates that the APP sensor A, also referred to as the throttle position TP sensor D, is reading a high voltage signal. This sensor is crucial for the vehicle's engine control unit, ECU, to determine the driver's throttle input. Located on the throttle body, the APP sensor converts the physical position of the accelerator pedal into an electronic signal for the engine management system. A high voltage signal in this context typically means that the sensor is malfunctioning or there is an issue within the circuit. To effectively address this DTC, specific diagnostic steps must be followed. This will ensure that the underlying issue is accurately identified, allowing for the necessary repairs to be made and restoring proper functionality to the vehicle. The AP sensor A, or TP sensor D, is instrumental in reporting the position of the accelerator pedal to the engine control unit, ECU. The ECU relies on this information to manage engine performance, throttle response, and fuel efficiency. When DTC P2123 is set, it indicates that this sensor signal is transmitting a voltage that is above the expected range, often exceeding 4.9 volts. This high voltage can disrupt the normal operations of the vehicle, potentially leading to performance issues or lack of throttle response. The AP sensor is situated on the throttle body, which is generally located near the intake manifold. If this sensor fails, proper control over engine airflow, thereby affecting acceleration and overall vehicle performance, can be severely compromised. There are several potential causes for the DTC P2123 condition, starting with a faulty APP sensor itself. A defective sensor can generate incorrect voltage readings, leading to the high voltage condition indicated by the code. Additionally, poor connections or loose terminals can contribute to erratic signal transmission, causing misleading voltage readings. This could be the result of corrosion, dirt, or wear over time. Wiring issues such as shorts or breaks can also create high resistance or incorrect voltage pathways, resulting in abnormal readings. Identifying these causes through systematic troubleshooting is essential for correctly resolving the DTC and ensuring system reliability. When experiencing DTC P2123, several symptoms may become apparent during vehicle operation. One of the primary indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, prompting further investigation. Drivers may also notice inconsistent throttle response, where the vehicle does not accelerate as expected or hesitates significantly. Additionally, unusual idling behaviors, such as fluctuating RPMs, can arise if the APP sensor is malfunctioning. These symptoms collectively indicate a problem with the throttle position reporting, which is crucial for smooth engine performance. Addressing these issues promptly through diagnostic steps can mitigate further complications and ensure safety and drivability. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2123 involves confirming the problem through proper diagnostic checks. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This powers the vehicle's electrical system. Using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, examine the APP sensor A output voltage. The expected voltage for this sensor should not be more than 4.9 volts. If the readings confirm high voltage, the failure is duplicated, encouraging the technician to move to the next troubleshooting step. Conversely, if the readings vary, this indicates an intermittent failure that demands further investigation into the wiring and connections. Proper understanding of the diagnostic report is crucial for efficient troubleshooting, as this lays the foundation for identifying the core issue. In the second troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle to the off position and prepare to evaluate the APP sensor directly. Disconnect the APP sensor's 6P connector to isolate it from the vehicle's electrical system. Then, switch the ignition to on mode again while keeping the APP sensor disconnected. Measure the voltage between specific test points, pin number 4 and pin number 5 of the APP sensor connector. The expected voltage between these points should be around 5.0 volts. If this condition is met, the APP sensor is judged to be faulty and should be replaced to rectify the DTC issue. Failure to achieve the correct voltage indicates there may be other electrical issues requiring further diagnostics. The third troubleshooting step focuses on checking the integrity of the SG4 wire line. Start by ensuring the vehicle is in the off position before beginning this process. Utilize the HDS to jump the SCS line, preparing the circuitry for continuity testing. Next, disconnect the PCM connector A, which comprises 51 pins, 51P. After the PCM disconnection, connect terminals A and B using a jumper wire. Terminal A connects to APP sensor 6P pin number 5 and terminal B connects to the body ground. The next step is to check for continuity between the designated test points, pin number 30 on the PCM connector and the body ground. If continuity is confirmed, it indicates the SG4 wire is functioning correctly. If continuity cannot be established, this indicates an open circuit that needs further repair. After implementing repairs based on the previous troubleshooting steps, it's essential to verify that the DTC P2123 issue has been resolved. Start by ensuring all original issues have been addressed, including replacing the APP sensor if identified as faulty, or repairing the SG4 wire if necessary. Erasing the stored DTC codes through the HDS will reset the vehicle's diagnostic system. Following the code erase, conduct a test drive to confirm the vehicle operates without triggering the DTC again. Monitoring the vehicle during this time for responsiveness in throttle operations and observing the dashboard for any illumination of the check engine light is crucial. Successful verification ensures that the repairs executed were effective and restores the proper function of the accelerator control system. To prevent the recurrence of issues leading to DTC P2123, regular maintenance of the vehicle's electrical system can be invaluable. This includes scheduled inspections of wiring, connectors, and terminals associated with the APP sensor and PCM. Preventing corrosion by applying dielectric grease can extend the longevity of these components, ensuring reliable connectivity. Additionally, ensuring that connectors remain tight and free from debris diminishes the risk of intermittent failures. Keeping an eye on the vehicle's performance and responding promptly to any warning lights can also assist in early issue detection. Overall, proactive maintenance is key to ensuring long-term vehicle reliability and performance. In conclusion, DTC P2123 indicates a critical high-voltage issue with the APP sensor A, affecting throttle control in Honda Fit models from 2015 to 2020. It is important to recognize the key symptoms associated with this code, such as the check engine light activation and throttle response issues, which prompt needed diagnostics. Following a structured troubleshooting approach helps identify the root cause by addressing the APP sensor, connections, and wiring integrity. Effective repairs and verification are necessary to ensure smooth vehicle operation. Additionally, incorporating preventive maintenance routines can help avoid similar future issues, underscoring the significance of a proactive approach to vehicle care. Thorough understanding and attention to the components involved is essential for maintaining the performance and safety of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.